Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried. He is going to be the kingmaker for the 2024 elections. This is why I am so bullish on crypto. I'm also bullish on other stocks, but I'm especially bullish on crypto. Guys, you have not seen the beginning of what crypto is going to do. So in this video, I'm going to do an exclusive on SBF because he's worthy of doing an exclusive. I want you all to see how important this 30-year-old is to the crypto ecosystem. He is brilliant, he is smart, he is generous, and he is unselfish, and he is going to have a tremendous impact on the crypto ecosystem and moving the crypto ecosystem forward. Okay, so you all know who I am. I bring you videos a few times per week. If you haven't already, make sure you click on like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. All right, so I hope everyone is having a fantastic week, day, or whatever. Make sure that you are monitoring your investments. Make sure you know that I am not an investment advisor. I'm simply sharing with you information I have on crypto investments. I've been a very successful crypto investor, and I'm sharing information with you in hopes that you would do your own research, make good decisions, and maybe be able to grow your crypto investments exponentially as I have. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing, here he is. This is the man of the hour, Sam Bankman-Fried. Like I said, he's 30 years old. I'm going to go through a couple of different articles and tell you all why he is so important to the crypto ecosystem and how you should keep up with him, because this man will be a kingmaker in 2024, and I'm going to tell you why. So first, let's just take a quick look at the article, and you're going to see why he's going to be a kingmaker. Crypto billionaire says he could spend a record $1 billion in the 2024 election. He can spend $1 billion. Guys, this guy has about 20 to 24 billion. He can spend $1 billion and still have 19 billion left. We all know that politicians are bought and sold by investors. That's the reality, whether you believe it or not. With $1 billion on the table, believe me, he is going to get the attention of the Congress people that make and create the agendas for the laws that they pass or choose not to pass. Waving around $1 billion, we know that a lot of these politicians, they're greedy. They're going to want a piece of the money. They're going to want a piece of the buck from SBF. Yes, they are. And they're going to listen to him because guess what? He's got $1 billion that they're interested in. And so I'm going to share some information. Let's go ahead and get started. And so you can see how this is going to pan out. This is why I'm bullish. I'm not budging. Crypto is going up, up, up. It's going up. All right. Democratic cryptocurrency exchange founder Sam Bankman-Fried says he expects to spend north of $100 million in 2024 with a soft ceiling of $1 billion. Wow, a soft ceiling. You know he's going to spend $1 billion. Democratic billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried says he could spend $1 billion or more in the 2024 election, which would easily make him the biggest ever political donor in a single election. Don't worry if you're independent or Republican, he's giving money to everybody. I'll show you proof he is. Don't worry. Bankman-Fried, 30 years old, the founder of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX, said in a podcast interview released Tuesday that he expects to give north of $100 million in the next presidential election, and he has a soft ceiling of $1 billion. He's going to spend it, with his spending likely to be on the higher end if former President Donald Trump runs again. What do you all think about that? Okay, so he's saying, I don't know. He just said if Trump runs again, he know he's going to have to fork out $1 billion. I'm not sure what the relationship or the correlation is. You all put that information in your comments. Here's my thing. Anybody that's on board with us moving cryptocurrency forward, I am on that team in a responsible and a way that embraces early investors like us and allow us to capitalize. That kind of money would be in a league of its own. Yes, $1 billion. $1 billion, the politicians will be lined up to listen to him. I promise you they will. They only make about $170,000 a year. They get their money from investors. Bankman-Fried, who was estimated to be worth more than $20 billion, says he's already given away more than $200 million to various causes. He's very generous. Just a generous guy. I love him. I love this guy. This is the future, guys. Not these old people. Not the Pelosi's, not the Bidens, not the Trumps, not the all these old guys. I don't care, Republican and Democrat. All these old folkies need to retire and clear the way for the SBFs of the future. All of them. McConnell, he's old. He's old. Is he still alive? No disrespect, but give me a break. I don't care. They're old. Old. Okay, so Bankman-Fried is an adherent effective altruism, which is a utilitarian philosophy that promotes ideas like earning lots of money to give it away. Think about that. His whole philosophy in life, this utilitarian philosophy, that means making sure the masses are happy. Whatever the masses are happy with, their philosophy is that's the direction that you go in. And so his philosophy is earn a lot of money and give it away. Powerful. He is so unselfish. Wow. He went into finance and started donating large parts of his paychecks long before he made his first billion. And he still lives fairly modestly. Would you live this modestly if you had 24 billion? He's got roommates and a Toyota Corolla, with a stated goal of giving away the vast majority of his fortune as he makes it. Man, boy, I wish he could give me, I'll just take $1 million. Okay, I'm doing some good work. But anyway, that's how generous he is. This guy has roommates in a Toyota Corolla. He is humble. This is the epitome of humility, but that's the mantra he lives by. Okay. He's one of several crypto donors who have started spending large amounts of money in politics. And that's a good thing. That's a good thing, okay? All right, let's take a look at his history because like I said, he's worth looking into. His initials are SBF, Samuel Bankman-Fried. He's an American entrepreneur, billionaire, and investor. He is the founder of CEO of FTX, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. He also manages assets through Alameda Research, which is a quantitative cryptocurrency trading firm he founded in 2017. He was ranked 60th on the 2022 Forbes Billionaire with a net worth of $24 billion. Now, let's look at politics because it's all about the politics. He will be the kingmaker in 2024. SBF will be the kingmaker. His contributions for June 2021 through February 2022 went to members of both parties, as in Democrats and Republicans, so don't get all worked up. They included direct donations to the Republican campaigns of Senator Susan Collins, Republican, Mitt Romney, Republican, Lisa Murkowski, Republican, and Ben Sasse, Republican. So he's giving money on both sides of the aisle. I love this guy. He's giving money to people who are doing the right work and the correct work. Let's take another look at what he did. Within the last month or so, he bought 7.6% of Robinhood Exchange stock. So he owns about 7.6% of the Robinhood Exchange. This tells you all, guys, crypto is going to merge with traditional finance and Web 3.0, Web 2.0. What did I tell you? When we emerge from the darkness, from the shootings, the Russian war, from inflation, we're going to emerge on the backside of Web 3.0, which is blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and digital assets. All right. I wanted you all to know that. In 2020, he was the second largest donator to President Joe Biden's campaign. He gave over $5 billion. Over $5 billion. So here's what my point is, guys. He will be kingmaker. SBF Samuel, I am proud of you. He is unselfish. He's going to be kingmaker. He is going to ensure that we at least have a ear, and they're listening to the smartest and the wisest voices as cryptocurrency and digital assets matures in this world and the ecosystem grows. Okay, so he is it. He will be the kingmaker. Where he lays money, people are going to listen to him. You bet your bottom dollar. You know, with the FTX token, just one quick look, his token goes for about 29 bucks a token. He's got about 136 million in the circulating supply. So there you go. Sam Bankman-Fried, kingmaker. Yes, he is kingmaker. And I am glad that he is kingmaker. I love these young guys who are energetic. They are smart. He's brilliant. He's not selfish, and he has a lot of humility. So SBF, he is and will be the kingmaker for 2024, but it starts now. It's not going to start tomorrow or the next day. It's going to start right now. So there you go. My name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. Make sure you click on like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring, sharing is caring, sharing is caring. And continue to follow SBF. I love this young man. He's doing phenomenal things. All right, take care. Until next time, I'm out.